Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to talk about switch case. So what is a switch case? So it's actually work like if else. Let's say I want to set here a variable, let the variable name, let's say day. If I say 1 and then I will say switch, and here I just have to mention the variable name, and now I will say case. I'll say case 1 console dot log Saturday. Okay, and I'll copy it. I'll say here Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. It will be 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. Now you can see it's showing Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay, every single day. So, but here I have actually set the value the day only. So 2. So when I say day 2, so the switch value is now 2. So it will actually enter at first the case. Okay, the case and here you can see the value 2. So the value will actually match with the case, that which value is matching with which case. So here you can see the day 2 value, okay, match with case 2. So here it's showing Sunday, but it actually not show Saturday. Here you can see it's showing all other days also, right? This is because we haven't actually used here break, so we have to use break. So what is break? Break is basically to break the code here. If any statement actually work, then you can actually break it. Okay, break the code here. So that is the reason actually we need to use break. So here you can see when I say break, it's showing me only case 2 because the value is matching with case 2, right? If I say 3 here, it will actually go for the case 3 because the value is matching with case 3, right? This case. So this case value is 3. That is the reason actually it's showing only this one, and break the code. Okay, it will not execute other case. Okay, but when you will not use break, it will execute rest of them. So when you use break, it will actually go for the case which is with the same value. Here you can see day 3, so it will actually go the case, this case, and it will match that value is 3. Okay, so it will actually go inside it and print Monday, and then it will break the code here and it will go out the switch here. Okay, so this is how actually switch case work. And after that we have default one. If you want to use it, okay, then you can say console dot log, you can say 7 days in a week, 7 days in a week. When I'll say 8, it will go for the default one. Here you can see 7 days in a week. Okay, this one. So we have a default one also. So this is switch case. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.